What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a 2026 Nissan Sentra started if the key fob dies. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the vehicle as I normally would, it's not going to start, and I'm going to get a message on the dash saying place the key near the switch, place the key near the start switch. So what I'm going to do is grab my key fob. I'm going to come over here and I'm just going to touch it to the stop start button. Then we'll hear a beep and we'll get a different message on our dash like that. And now we should be able to start the vehicle as normal. So brake, stop start button. And once the Sentra starts, you'll be able to drive as you normally would. The only other thing that's a little different is when you start it this way, when it comes to turning the vehicle off, if you just try to turn it off like you normally would, by just pressing the stop start button, it's not going to turn off and we're going to get this message on the dash. So what we need to do is just press and hold the stop start button down for a few seconds. So press and hold and just continue to hold that down until the vehicle turns off. And then the only other thing you'll want to do is to replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video on how to replace the battery in this key fob in case you're unfamiliar. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.